Remember that time I tried to film a breathtaking sunset with my phone? Epic fail. I thought it would be easy to capture the beauty of the moment, but boy, was I wrong. The footage was shaky, the colors were dull, and the audio sounded like it was recorded in a wind tunnel. It was a complete disaster and I felt so disappointed. I learned the hard way that shooting professional-looking videos on a smartphone isn't as simple as point and shoot. Frustrating, right? We've all been there. You think it's going to be a breeze, but then reality hits. You have this incredible story to tell, but your phone footage just doesn't do it justice. It's like having a great idea but not being able to express it properly. But what if I told you that your smartphone has the potential to capture footage that rivals professional cameras? It's true. With the right techniques, you can transform your videos. Let's unlock the secrets to shooting cinematic masterpieces with the device you carry everywhere. From framing to lighting and even editing, there are so many tips and tricks to explore. Get ready to elevate your smartphone videography game to the next level. The truth is, today's smartphones are packed with incredible video capabilities. We're talking 4K resolution, high frame rates, and sophisticated camera sensors. The key to unlocking this potential is understanding the fundamentals of filmmaking. Lighting, composition, stabilization, and audio are just as crucial on a phone as they are on a Hollywood set. The best part? You don't need a film degree or expensive gear to make it happen. Let's face it, we've all experienced the disappointment of shaky footage, poor lighting, and muffled audio. These are the common pitfalls of smartphone videography, but they're not insurmountable. The good news is that simple techniques and readily available tools can make a world of difference. A tripod or even a stack of books can stabilize your shot, ensuring that your footage is smooth and professional looking. Natural light or a small LED can dramatically improve your visuals. Positioning your smartphone to take advantage of natural light can make your videos look vibrant and clear. If natural light isn't available, a small portable LED light can be a game changer, providing consistent and adjustable lighting. Don't let these challenges hold you back. Embrace them as opportunities to elevate your craft. Experiment with different angles, lighting setups, and stabilization techniques. Each challenge you overcome will make you a more skilled and versatile videographer. Remember, every professional started as a beginner. With practice and the right tools, you can conquer these common challenges and create stunning videos that captivate your audience. Section 4. Mastering the basics. Ready to dive in? This section will cover the essential techniques you need to know to elevate your smartphone videography skills. Let's start with the fundamentals. These basics will form the foundation of all your future projects. Good lighting is everything. Without proper lighting, even the best camera can't produce great results. Use natural light to your advantage. Position your subject near a window to make the most of the available light. Experiment with soft, diffused light for flattering shots. Soft light reduces harsh shadows and creates a more pleasing image. Avoid harsh shadows by using a reflector or diffuser. These tools help to bounce light and soften shadows. Keep your footage buttery smooth. Shaky footage can be distracting and unprofessional. Use a tripod, gimbal, or even just a steady surface. These tools will help you achieve stable and smooth shots. Remember, smooth footage equals professional-looking results. It makes your videos more enjoyable to watch. Crisp audio is crucial. Poor audio quality can ruin an otherwise great video. Use an external microphone to capture clear sound. This will significantly improve the audio quality of your recordings. If you don't have one, get closer to your subject and minimize background noise. This simple trick can make a big difference. Frame your shots like a pro. Good composition can turn an ordinary shot into something extraordinary. Use the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to create visually appealing compositions. These techniques help guide the viewer's eye and make your videos more engaging. Section 5. Level up your video. Ready to take your smartphone videography to the next level? Let's explore some advanced techniques. Enhance the mood and feel of your videos with color grading. Experiment with apps that offer color correction and grading tools. Want that cinematic look? Apply LUTs or lookup tables to instantly transform the color palette of your footage. Remember, these are just tools. The magic happens when you combine them with your creativity. Section 6. Your journey to cinematic excellence. Creating professional quality videos with your smartphone is a journey of exploration and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and learn along the way. What are your favorite tips and tricks for shooting amazing videos on your phone? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Ready to dive deeper? Check out my other videos for in-depth tutorials and filmmaking inspiration. Happy shooting!